Choosing the right electric hand planer can be a game changer for any woodworking project. But with so many choices available, selecting the best one can be overwhelming. That's where this guide comes in. In this video, we will explore the top electric hand planers available on the market, highlighting their key features. What makes each model stand out, from power and speed to ease of use and additional functionalities. So let's get started. Number 1. WEN 6530 Electric Hand Planer. The WEN 6530 Electric Hand Planer is a budget-friendly yet highly capable tool, ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Its 6-ampere motor ensures smooth and precise cuts, making it perfect for both amateur and professional woodworkers. The adjustable depth settings provide versatility, allowing you to achieve the desired thickness with ease. Key features. The 6-ampere motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute. 16 positive stops from 0 to 1 by 8 inches. Make rabbets up to 1 inch with a 5 by 16 inch guide. Weighs only 6 pounds for easy handling. Includes dust bag, kickstand, parallel fence bracket, and a 2-year warranty. Number 2. Makita XPK01Z Electric Hand Planer. The Makita XPK01Z Electric Hand Planer stands out with its cordless design, offering unmatched flexibility and portability. Powered by an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery, it delivers impressive performance with a 2-blade cutter head that ensures quick and efficient material removal. The ergonomic design with a rubberized handle provides superior comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. Key features: planes up to 3 to 1 by 4 inch wide and 5 by 64 inch deep in a single pass. 2-blade cutter head with double-edged carbide blades. High power-to-weight ratio at only 7.4 pounds. 14,000 revolution per minute motor for fast stock removal. Click the depth adjustment knob with settings from 0 to 5 by 64 inch. Number 3. BOSCH PL2632K Electric Hand Planer. The BOSCH PL2632K Electric Hand Planer is a top-tier tool known for its precision and power. With a 6.5 ampere motor, it delivers consistent performance, making it ideal for detailed and demanding woodworking tasks. The spring-loaded stand and dual-mount guide fence enhance precision and protect your workpiece, ensuring smooth and accurate results every time. Key features: 6.5 ampere motor with 16,500 revolution per minute for fast stock removal. Weighs only 6.3 pounds for power and efficiency. Ambidextrous lock-off release button to avoid accidental starts. Spring-loaded stand elevates the tool to protect the blade. Aluminum front and rear shoes for accuracy. 2-blade system, chamfering groove, and dual-mount guide fence. Number 4. DEWALT DCP580B Electric Hand Planer. This electric hand planer is a powerhouse in the cordless planer category. Its 20-volt max lithium-ion battery provides the freedom to work anywhere. The brushless motor ensures efficient and rapid material removal, while the lightweight and well-balanced design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Key features: provides power and extended runtime. 30,000 cuts per minute for fast removal. 5 by 64 inch maximum depth with precise adjustments. Ensure parallel cuts. Prevents gouging the work surface. Allows for precise edge chamfering. Number 5. Porter Cable PC60THP Electric Hand Planer. The Porter Cable PC60THP Electric Hand Planer is a reliable and efficient tool, offering a 6-ampere motor that ensures consistent performance. Its 10 positive depth stops allow for precise adjustments, making it versatile for different woodworking tasks. The inclusion of a dust bag and vacuum adapter ensures a clean working environment, which is a significant advantage for maintaining productivity and safety. Key features: 6 ampere motor for smooth cuts in hard materials, up to 16,500 revolution per minute. Attach a dust extractor bag on either side. Overmold depth knob with 10 positive steps. 11:1 by 2-inch cast aluminum shoe for added control. 0.47 inch for removing more material per pass. Number 6. CRAFTSMAN CRAFTSMAN Electric Hand Planer. The CRAFTSMAN electric hand planer combines power and precision, thanks to its 6 ampere motor and 10 adjustable depth stops. This tool ensures smooth and accurate cuts, making it suitable for various woodworking projects. The dual-side dust extraction system helps maintain a clean workspace, enhancing efficiency and safety. For those looking for a reliable and well-rounded planer, the CRAFTSMAN CRAFTSMAN is an excellent option. Key features: the 6 ampere motor provides smooth cuts in hard and soft materials. 16,500 revolution per minute for quick material removal. The 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe ensures better control and quality finish. Allows for cleaner workspace with extraction on either side. Overmolded depth knob with 10 positive steps for precise control. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you stay updated with our latest content.